Hello viewers. This is Monica, and I am going to present the information about the history of pharmacovigilance. So, before going further, let's have a look on two famous quotes from Dr. Vladimir Lepekin, who said that dying from a disease is sometimes unavoidable, but dying from an adverse drug reaction is unacceptable. And other quote is, medicines are a double-edged sword, they can save lives but they can also kill. These quotes emphasize the significance of pharmacovigilance in the safe and effective use of medicinal products. While looking back into our history, the initial report in the year 1848 recorded a fatal incident in a young girl after receiving chloroform anesthesia. Then in the year 1937 in USA, around 107 cases reported with fatal outcomes in people who used sulfonylamide's elixir. Deaths were attributed due to presence of diethyl glycol as a solvent in elixir. After few years, a major disaster happened in the year 1961 spanning various countries across world, and the name of this disaster is thalidomide disaster. At that time, thalidomide was used in the treatment of nausea in pregnant women suffering from morning sickness. There are more than 4,000 reports worldwide reporting the occurrence of abnormal fetal outcomes like phocomelia, and underdeveloped limbs in newborn babies who exposed to thalidomide via their mothers during the pregnancy. In the year 1964, Health Authority of United Kingdom introduced the concept of adverse drug reaction reporting through yellow card system in their country. In 1967, who started the program for international drug monitoring. Then in 1970, Health Authority of United States US FDA had implemented the system for adverse drug reaction reporting in their country. In 1990, European Society of Pharmacovigilance was founded and turned into the International Society of Pharmacovigilance. Then European Medicines Agency was set up in the year 1995, it followed foundation of Vigilance in 2001. And in 2012, a new legislation in Europe came with significant changes in European pharmacovigilance. From this legislation, guidelines for good pharmacovigilance processes (GVP) came into picture to facilitate guidance to pharmaceutical companies and enhance performance in PV. In the year 2017, a new Vigilance format came in and EMA provided Vigilance database access to pharmaceutical companies. So, these are some of key highlights worth to know under pharmacovigilance history.